Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in the mall. Our meeting we held here. So that some of our friends that cannot travel is we can also attend. Anyway, it's already afternoon. 3:30 I think. After the meeting, we're going straight to the church. Anyway, in the food court, McDonald, our meeting place. I think I'm here already in the orientation. This is my uniform. How many years ago? I have my own name in this t-shirt. Anyway guys, how are you? How was your day so far today? It's weekend. Enjoy your weekend everyone. Have a great weekend also. A while ago I came from here. I've been here for how many hours ago? Just go home to eat lunch and take a bath at oil my hair. Anyway, I'm gonna pass here. Oh, Dama still open but no line already. See, I'm here again in the market. Anyway, have a great weekend and enjoy. As I show you the nice painting. The nice in the wall. I don't know if that's painting or they just stick. Just stick on it. See there. The other side. You know, I like the painting in the wall and the See I need to check where are they. They're looking for me. I don't know where they are. It's not there. They're not here yet. I'm already here in the mall. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, a suggestion. And of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.